Meaning of footwear.
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 Footwear. Footwear refers to any type of clothing or accessory worn on the feet, such as shoes, boots, sandals, and slippers. It is designed to protect the feet from external elements and provide support for walking, running, and other physical activities. Footwear can also serve functional purposes such as safety, warmth, and waterproofing. In addition, it can also be used for fashion or cultural reasons. Overall, footwear is an important aspect of everyday life and serves both practical and aesthetic purposes.